I just like the sound of it.
Hey, what's going on, Beemer Fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Eric, and you know, I just had a real long debate with myself on whether or not I should be drifting in this kind of weather. If you guys didn't see yesterday, it was 62 degrees and sunny. For those who don't know, it's March 1st. So, damn, it's all up in my beard. It's like wet snow. It's like perfect for snowball fights, but man, it's getting off of my beard. You know, I can't really handle it. Oh my gosh, look at my car. Holy shit. This is annoying. But, hey, you never know. It might be some fun, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car brushed off. Wow. Go ahead and hit that follow button. That Beemer Fam. Just reached 2K subscribers, man. Really appreciate you guys staying up with our content and just wanting us to make more footage for you guys. You know, it's a huge thing. Thank you guys again for that. I'll be posting some more information on the giveaway here in the next couple days, so make sure you're following on Instagram. You'll know there too. I don't know if I can see. This may not be the safest thing, y'all. So this snow is like super wet. So when it sticks to something, it kind of just stays there. I'm gonna have to wipe off my window because this is just not safe. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's ready for us, y'all. Oh my gosh. What? It's like snow water. See, and you can see it's all stuck to the window. Let me go ahead and... Damn, this is like the definition of slush. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna set you guys up on the exterior of this place and I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the outside. I think that's all I got in me right now. So that's today's video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Keep in mind, my brothers have an M3, M6. My dad's got a 750, 650. So if you're interested in seeing, the Beemer Fam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram. And again, as far as that 2K giveaway goes, make sure you follow us on Instagram to stay updated with what's going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.